Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for beauty, wellness, and personal growth. Get ready to embark on a journey of transformation and self-discovery. In today's video, we're going to elaborate on how you can get 100% results by following a $0-$10 skincare routine. If you watch this video till the end and follow all the guides provided in the video, I can guarantee you that you will get visible results within a month. Let's begin. 1. Embrace your authenticity. The first step towards your mental and physical betterment is to accept yourself. You can only take care of your skin and yourself if you already love it the way it is. Remind yourself of all the things that your skin and your body are doing for you. You're blessed to have the skin you have right now. Love yourself the way you want someone to love you because you, my dear, are beautiful and flawless. Society often bombards us with unrealistic standards of beauty, success, and happiness, causing many to feel inadequate or insecure. It's time to break free from these societal pressures and learn to love ourselves unconditionally so we can easily work on becoming the better version of ourselves. Repeat after me: thank you for my skin which protects me and is always working for my betterment. 2. Hydration secret to radiant complexion. Now we are going to uncover the secret to achieving clear and radiant skin through the simple act of drinking water and moisturizing your skin. Enough water is essential for maintaining clear and healthy skin and in supporting skin function, regulating moisture balance, and promoting optimal cell turnover. Staying adequately hydrated can improve your skin's elasticity, making it appear plump, supple, and youthful. Dehydration can contribute to the development of fine lines and wrinkles. Water acts as a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins and impurities from your body. Your skin's natural detoxification processes lead to a clearer complexion. It helps fortify your skin's protective moisture barrier. Stay accountable to your hydration goals. Enhance the benefits of hydration by incorporating hydrating skincare products into your routine. Lifestyle habits, such as avoiding excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption, can impact your hydration levels. 3. Beauty affirmations. Remember, your brain controls your body. You can be the most beautiful girl, the only thing standing in your way is your perception. Your words are magic spells, use them wisely, and use them in your favor. Beauty affirmations play a significant role in self-care by promoting a positive self-image and boosting self-confidence. By repeating positive statements about your appearance, you can counteract negative self-talk and cultivate a more compassionate attitude towards yourself. Your brain can't know what's real or not, it only accepts what you continuously tell it, and then it works accordingly to make that statement true. If you're constantly criticizing and degrading yourself, your brain will accept it and will do its best to make it accurate. You can search for beauty affirmations on YouTube and listen and repeat after them while doing your skincare or makeup, etc. Do it for 30 days and watch the visible results. Let me remind you again, your words are magic spells, use them in your favor. 4. Daily ice massage. Ice massage has remarkable benefits for your face. It is a simple yet powerful technique that can help you achieve a refreshed, revitalized, and rejuvenated complexion. It can instantly cool and calm your skin, particularly after exposure to environmental aggressors, excessive heat, or stressful situations. It can effectively reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes and cheeks. It can help minimize the appearance of pores and regulate excess oil production. Ice massage stimulates blood circulation, bringing fresh oxygen and nutrients to the skin's surface. This improved circulation can give your complexion a healthy, natural glow. You can add this $0 skincare step into your daily skincare routine, just don't use excessively. 5. Cleanliness. If you want a glass skin, first keep it clean as glass. Cleanliness plays a crucial role in skincare. Keeping your skin clean helps remove dirt, excess oil, bacteria, and impurities that can accumulate throughout the day and clog your pores, leading to breakouts, irritation, and other skin issues. Wash your face twice daily, in the morning and evening, using a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Always remove your makeup before going to bed, no matter how tired you are, otherwise it can clog pores and contribute to skin issues. Choose a gentle exfoliator, or you can use home remedies to exfoliate your skin. Use it 1 to 2 times a week. Avoid touching your face. Try to minimize touching your face throughout the day. Our hands can carry bacteria, which can transfer to the skin and lead to breakouts or infections. After a workout or any activity that causes sweating, cleanse your face to remove sweat, dirt, and bacteria that may have accumulated. Regularly clean your makeup brushes, sponges, and other tools to remove product buildup and bacteria. Don't use towels or clothes for drying your face. Additionally, changing your pillowcase regularly helps maintain a clean surface for your face while sleeping. Using a clean silk pillowcase can provide some additional benefits for skin and hair. It creates less friction against the skin compared to materials like cotton. Avoid sharing personal care items. It can transfer bacteria or other skin irritants. 6. Sunblock. Sunblock, or sunscreen, is incredibly important for skin care and overall skin health. Sunblock helps protect your skin from the harmful effects of ultraviolet (UV) rays emitted by the sun. These rays can penetrate the skin and cause damage, leading to sunburn, premature aging, wrinkles, dark spots, and an increased risk of skin cancer. Sunblock should be used every day, even on cloudy or overcast days, as UV rays can still penetrate through clouds and reach your skin. Cooking is mostly an indoor process, but still, you spend a great deal of time being exposed to flames and heat from ovens. Cooking gas releases heat and light, and according to dermatologists, this still could be as harmful to our skin as sun rays. Make sunblock an essential part of your daily skin care routine to protect your skin from the damaging effects of the sun. Sunblock with a sufficient sun protection factor, SPF, helps prevent sunburn by blocking or absorbing these harmful rays. It reduces premature aging, prevents hyperpigmentation and dark spots, lowers skin cancer risk. While choosing a sunblock, look for broad-spectrum protection. Select a sunblock with SPF of 30 or higher. Apply sunblock generously to all exposed areas of your skin, including your face, neck, arms, and legs. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if you are sweating or swimming. Look for sunblock formulations that suit your skin type, whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or acne-prone skin. 7. Proper diet. A well-balanced diet plays an important role in maintaining good skin health. Here are some dietary recommendations that may contribute to healthier skin. Include a wide range of fruits and vegetables in your diet, as they provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect and nourish your skin. Consume healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds. It can help maintain skin elasticity and moisture. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, also have anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit the skin. Incorporate lean proteins like poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. Provide amino acids necessary for collagen production, which supports skin elasticity. High intake of processed foods and sugary snacks can contribute to inflammation and breakouts. Include antioxidant-rich foods, such as berries, green tea, dark chocolate, and tomatoes, help protect the skin against damage from free radicals. Excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption can dehydrate the skin. It's important to moderate your intake and ensure proper hydration. 8. Facial massage / Gua Sha. Now I will tell you about face massage and the ancient technique of Gua Sha and its incredible benefits for your skin. Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese facial massage technique that has been used for centuries to promote skin health, relaxation, and overall well-being. Gua Sha stone, or a jade roller, can be used for face massage, or you can just do it by your fingers. The numerous benefits massage offers for your skin. From promoting circulation and lymphatic drainage to reducing puffiness and increasing the absorption of skincare products, it can help you achieve a healthy, radiant complexion. Prepare your skin before the massage. Learn the proper angles and pressure to use. To ensure a safe and effective massage, target specific areas of the face, such as the forehead, cheeks, jawline, and neck, to release tension, sculpt the face, and enhance the natural contours. Discover the best skincare products to use in combination to maximize its benefits. We'll recommend serums, oils, or moisturizers that work synergistically with the massage technique to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. 9. Avoid excessive products. Avoid excessive products in skincare. Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products without seeing the desired results? It's time to rethink your skincare routine and embrace simplicity. In this eye-opening video, we reveal the hidden truth behind excessive skincare products and how they might be doing more harm than good. Using too many products increases the risk of allergic reactions. When you introduce multiple new ingredients to your skin, it becomes harder to pinpoint the source of any adverse reactions, making it challenging to identify the problematic product and to find out which ones are actually benefiting your skin. Simplifying your routine allows you to pinpoint which products are truly effective for you. Excessive products can overload the skin and cause irritation, redness, and sensitivity. It can also disrupt the skin's natural balance and protective barrier. Applying too many products can overwhelm the skin, preventing it from functioning optimally. Each product has its purpose, and layering too many of them can interfere with their effectiveness and even cancel out their benefits. It's better to invest in a few high-quality products that suit your skin type and address your specific concerns. To ensure a healthy and effective skincare routine, it's best to keep it simple and tailored to your skin's needs. Stick to essential products that have proven benefits for your skin type and concerns, and always patch test new products before introducing them to your entire face. Additionally, consulting with a dermatologist or skincare professional can help you develop a personalized routine that addresses your specific skin concerns. 10. Glass Skin by Home Remedies. Guide on achieving that coveted glass skin, a flawless, radiant complexion that glows from within. And the best part? We're bringing you natural, easy-to-find home remedies that can help you achieve your skin goals. Let's dive into these homemade wonders that can give your skin the glow it deserves. Step 1. Cleanse your canvas. Lemon water. Mix lemon slices in water and use it as a gentle morning cleanser. The vitamin C in lemons helps brighten your complexion, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Step 2. Exfoliate and renew. Honey and sugar scrub. Mix honey and sugar to create a natural exfoliating scrub. Gently massage it onto your skin to slew off dead cells and reveal a smoother, more radiant layer. Step 3. Nourish and hydrate. Yogurt mask. Apply plain yogurt to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The lactic acid in yogurt gently exfoliates while the probiotics nourish your skin, helping it achieve that enviable glow. Step 4. Hydration, inside and out. Cucumber-infused water. Drinking water infused with cucumber slices helps keep your skin hydrated from within. And don't forget, hydrated skin equals glowing skin. Step 5. Massage for radiance. Step 6. Soothe and calm. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your skin for a soothing effect. Its natural healing properties can help reduce redness and inflammation, leaving your skin looking calm and glowing. Step 7. Lock in the glow. Rosewater mist. Spray rosewater onto your face to lock in moisture and enhance your skin's radiance. It's a simple step that makes a significant difference. There you have it, a collection of natural home remedies to help you achieve that glowing glass skin you've always dreamed of. Remember, consistency is key, and these remedies work best when integrated into a healthy skincare routine. If you found these remedies helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Until next time, embrace your skin's natural radiance and shine on.